Go. Why block shit, man? Go, man. Why block shit, man? Please go. Anyway, shit, man. You know that. Go. Go.
Switch the place up on the scat, we tryna spin and leave him stressed. Chase it down, you know we pop out cause this shit go tip for tat. This shit go back to back, we hit the 5 and we got plenty strides. We bounce out blick and took off running, he ain't even blow a stride. We jump against, we take his pipe, you know my slime done made for that. If we catch one, we send a blitz, just watch him run like running back. Hit his chest and hit his neck, J-Way bounce out, leave him stretch. In that field, you know it's that, I told my little bro we up next. He in that pick, he gon' get caught, we chase it down, you won't get far. He tap the switch, we fuck shit up, he caught 2 face shots, pick him up. You see that smoke when we scratch off, we up the score, he can't get up. Just know it's danger, bounce out on your block, we got 100 plus. Got Lil Mark with me, since some shots, you better not fall, you know he fall. Don't get caught dangling, run up, get the flame, and tell that boy get up. Catch a beat, that's for my slam, this shit I say, don't try your luck.
Catch a beat, that's for my slime, don't try your luck, go. I'm catching beat, that's for my slime, nigga. I'm catching beat, that's for my slime, don't think say gon' try your luck, go. Don't try your luck, go. Go, go.
Switch the place up in the scat, we tryna spin and leave him stretch. Chase it down, you know we pop out cause this shit go tip for tat. You know we back to back, we hit the 5 and we got plenty strides. We bounce out blick and took off running, he ain't even blow a stride. Jump his gate, we take his pipe, you know my slime done made for that. If we catch one, we send a blitz, just watch him run like running back. Hit his chest and hit his neck, J-Way bounce out, leave him stretch. We in that field, you know it's that, I told her bro, them we up next.
Go. I told her bro, them we up next, man. Yeah. Switch the place, man. We switch the place up on this bitch, nigga.
Yeah, go. We got some beats, but that's for sure. We spin they block, we back for more. Niggas dissing, we out lurking. Can't see homie off the skull. He got that bag up on his head. So first thing first, let's get this dough. Chopper blasting, so don't spin this block if you ain't down to blow. We all riding 4D stripe, you see I bounce on that dope. I'm a slammy nigga, I jump your gate and we get you a hoe. Yo bitch a boss, she got the choke, she sucked the 7, then she go. We in traffic, dropping J's on 556, knock at your dough. Tony bounce out, hit his head, his body stiff, he hit the flow. On that 7 block, don't need no pipe, cause phone them down the blow. SIT, this bitch too loud. Say that ST, we on go. OTS, bitch, that's the film. We count that bread and clapping domes. Switch the teams, we back to back up in this bitch. We want some more. Hit the fat, we catch him running. Lil Sean, how about get him gone? Baby Slam, he got the wheel. He see the lights, he stomp the flow. Like he pop out, hit his fro. Money switch, we take his soul. Ayy. Tell Lil K, so we need T. We tryna slide and hit the bag. Switch the place, we in this gap. We tryna slide and leave him trash. Hit the fat, they know we back to back and we got plenty straps. Bounce out, chase him, blow him down. That pussy ran, they blow his strap. Posted up, we on the wide. You know this shit go tip for tat. Try to slide, we clock them up, you know his ass ain't coming back. J-Way bounce out, leave him stressed. Clap his ass, you know he chat. Me and phone don't stack that bread, I told my brothers we up next. Hey.